Welcome back to Medinair. In this video, let's discuss about transient structures that are seen during development of teeth. So, transient structures are enamel knot, enamel cord, enamel septum, and enamel navel. These structures are called temporary structures and they are also known as transitory structures, and they disappear before enamel formation begins, and they are seen during cap stage of tooth development. So let's see each of these transient structures in detail. So let's start with enamel knot. The cells in the center of the enamel organ are densely packed and they form the enamel knot. This knot projects in part towards the underlying dental papilla so that the center of the epithelial invagination shows slightly knob-like enlargement. This knob-like enlargement is bordered by labial and lingual enamel grooves. And this enamel knot gives out vertical extension, and that is called as enamel cord. When the enamel cord extends to meet the outer enamel epithelium, it is termed as enamel septum. And this enamel septum divides the stellate reticulum into two parts. The point where the enamel septum meets the outer enamel epithelium is called as enamel navel. It gets the term enamel navel as it resembles the umbilicus. Let's look at the functions of these transitory structures. Enamel knot and enamel cord may act as a reservoir of dividing cells for growing enamel organ. Also, enamel knot act as a signaling center as many important growth factors are expressed by the cells of the enamel knot. They also have a major role in determining the shape of the tooth. And that brings us to the end of the video. I think this topic deserves a separate explanatory video because it doesn't have that much attention when it comes to reading your development of teeth in the book. This topic is very important in Viva, short notes, and also in NEET MDS aspect. I hope you guys found it helpful. Do like this video and subscribe to Medinair for more. Thanks for watching.